Hello guys, welcome to Kaiser Chiefs True News Sport. Today we're going to talk about the game that is postponed to Friday. I want to say to all the subscribers, I'm sorry for the misleading information because of we all saw that the game was supposed to be today on Wednesday. I think maybe they postponed because of the cunning knockout Carling knockout because of Marumo Gallants and Stellenbosch. They are playing today, so I think they want to first finish the game so that they know that they are done with the cup. They're only waiting for the finals because I think the finals is going to be Pirates and Stellenbosch and Marumo Gallants because right now Marumo Gallants is leading Stellenbosch by 2-0. And I want to talk about the Kaiser Chiefs because this is the channel for Kaiser Chiefs and I'm a Kaiser Chiefs supporter. I want to say to you guys, I can see how prepared are the players. They are really prepared. They are really taking us serious as supporters, and I think that is good for the team. And I saw the selection of Carling knockout, Telkom Carling knockout. They selected Brandon Peterson as a goalkeeper, and that is a good news. That is a great news for Kaiser Chiefs. And then I saw some of the players for Kaiser Chiefs. I even saw Naledi Hlongwane, and then I saw Vilakazi. Then I was so happy to see all of those players because it's a huge boost for Kaiser Chiefs to see our players playing. That's where we can judge them because they will be playing against a bigger team. Maybe it's gonna be Orlando Pirates or Marumo Gallants. So we'll see who is going to play, who's gonna be on charge. So for now, guys, let's wait for Friday. It's I think it's a bit disturbing to postpone the game for Friday because uh, it's very difficult to see Kaiser Chiefs playing on Fridays unless if they're playing outside country and then they can play Fridays